Alright guys, you can see the difference between the clean area and the dirty area. Again, this is a demonstration of the BAUER brushless pressure washer, which I have over here, and I reviewed previously only on cleaning my car. So today I want to show you guys that it's not only for cleaning cars but also for very easily and quickly get the slippery floor, concrete floor cleaned and become grippy again, so you don't have the fall risk. And you can see over here, I'm going to show you guys the time lapse of me cleaning this area, and also I'm going to join the rest of the area to make sure it's really nicely cleaned. So, alright, so let's get started. Let's see. So I'm going to turn on the power. And I'm gonna switch this video to time lapse and start cleaning the other area. I'm gonna come back and tell you guys what I think about using the BAUER brushless 20. I think this is a 23,000 to 1.2 gallons per minute brushless pressure washer. I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, so see you at the end of the video. Alright, so just finished with pressure washing the entire backyard area all the way to the end. And as I said, the BAUER 23 PSI 1.2 GPM brushless pressure washer is not only for clean cars. As evident here, it's excellent for cleaning like really horribly slimed up. As you can see, all the dark area is the area that I haven't touched. Absolutely nasty. And the BAUER, using the 15-degree head, is able to very easily just you know, blast everything away. The only thing I still don't like about the BAUER 23 PSI pressure washer is this useless tank. This tank doesn't do much. If you're using pressure mode, it doesn't suck up any kind of the soap in here. It's only when you're using foaming mode, but even in foaming mode, it's not as efficient as sucking up the soap and mix it with the water. So I would highly suggest just get a foaming canyon and attach it directly to the head, and it's gonna be a much better option as opposed to the useless soap tank at the bottom. Just don't use it. And now when I finish, I need to store the things away. I have no way of draining it. I have to, I have to tilt the pressure washer all the way to the other side to drain the tank, which is another issue. It's very hard to drain if you don't use all the soaps in here. And so that's my opinion. I would still highly recommend this, brushless motor pressure washer for general household use. I don't have a very large yard, but it's great for cleaning cars as well, and it's great to get all the slimy stuff off the ground for to reduce the risk of slip and fall. And which for that I think it's a great pressure washer. Alright, so that would conclude this really quick video. If you guys have any questions about the BAUER 23 PSI brushless 1.2 GPM pressure washer, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Otherwise, I hope you found this video helpful. Please do give me a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel. I have more home improvement videos coming out for you guys. So thanks again. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.